Rhino cable pulling probe. Rhino is a device designed to allow the installation of electrical wires, cables, and optical fibers in wireways or pipes during the construction or renovation of buildings. Usually, the installation of the cable in the pipes is done by 2 electricians. It is expensive in terms of human resources and involves considerable physical effort. From today, only 1 operator will be able to independently handle this process with minimal effort and in a much shorter time. The FS5 machine is used for chamfering the edges of metal pots. It has standard construction, is equipped with V-guides with a 90 angle of flare, which enables chamfering at an angle of 45. FS5 is the first choice in preparing parts for welding works, chamfering after machining, etc. The low weight and small dimensions of the FS5 machine makes it very handy and useful machine, being part of fixed machinist miller's equipment or operator's equipment of tin man's shear. These exclusive drivers ensure that 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch hex sizes are always on hand for installation, with an integrated Sawtooth design that cuts through soft and hardened HVAC and roofing sealant for rapid fastener removal. Built with S2 hardened steel for long life and superior durability, this removable and reversible hex driver allows the user to easily clean the socket and magnet. Get back to work in seconds by simply removing the driver from the impact to push the drive side of the shaft through the socket to quickly clear sealant buildup. The FurseWeld remote ignition system for exothermic welding is a simple, portable, and cost-effective method of welding copper to copper or copper to steel through the high-temperature reaction of powdered copper oxide and aluminum. Using the FurseWeld remote ignition system removes the need to use ignition starter powder with a traditional flint gun, allowing ignition from a safe distance whilst also reducing exposure to smoke and fumes. Portable fiber laser cleaning machine 100 watt. The 100 watt laser cleaning machine has the advantages of being lightweight and portable, having flexible and adjustable parameters, and having wireless control. It can efficiently remove rust, stains, oil stains, coatings, etc. from the surface of the workpiece. SOPPEC PureSPRAY. The best line marking trolley on the market, thanks to its stability, simplicity, and unique design. It guarantees straight lines on smooth or textured, indoor or outdoor surfaces. The SOPPEC driver trolley really drives the user. It can only be used with SOPPEC Tracing Pro aerosol cans and the PureSPRAY concept. Carbide inserts dowel maker. The variable speed feeder is the AF34 with an upgraded DC brushless servo motor. This heavy-duty feeder can be adapted easily to shapers, table saws, and many other woodworking machines, while saving up 50% operating cost. The rollers grip the workpiece firmly and feed it at a constant speed. Rollers are all spring-loaded to maintain a constant pressure, with roller suspension up to 18 millimeters. These Roughneck lifting tongs are designed with 4 claws to provide safety and stability when working with heavy logs. Features a 28 inches jaw opening and can handle logs weighing up to 2,200 pounds. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.